Usually, our ancestors always say soil won't cheat you, but the reality is like soil will cheat you when you don't know about the soil. One more time, welcome back to the Farm Syndicate. So, in this episode, I'm going to speak about soil testing. If you are very serious about the farming, if you have some land, the first thing you need to do is test the soil. As you, I also no idea how to do that, where to do that. I'm very new to this. So, what I'm going to do is like from the early report or for the early information, I go to the Krishi Bhavan, they will help you with the soil testing. So I'm going to talk about the soil testing process in this episode. First, I need to go to Krishi Bhavan, I need to get the information, then I need to come back, I need to take the sample, I need to submit to the Krishi Bhavan again for the testing. Once we get the result, we'll exactly know what is this soil, what are in this soil. So based on that, we can focus on the exact farming crops for the soil, and we can add the nutrition what is missing. We can make sure we are not adding extra nutrition to the soil also. So I'm going to talk about this process in this episode. Before we start with the farming, we need to test the soil. So I'm here in the Krishi Bhavan, and I need to check with the good seeds availability also here about the ginger and turmeric. So let's go. So I just went to Krishi Bhavan. She gave me all the information. So what we need to do is like randomly we need to take soil from 6 spot. That is like 0 to 20 centimeter is the one sample, and mix everything together. Remove rocks, roots and other unnecessary stuffs. Dry it in the shady place and take 250 gram from that after proper mixing, and we need to give that to the laboratory. That is the process she said. So now we are going to take that like that. We need to take 0 to 20 centimeter and 20 to 40 centimeter, two samples. So why we are taking two samples is one sample 0 to 20 centimeter is enough for small crops like ginger, turmeric and all, that's enough. But if you are going with arecanut, coconut, other trees, this 20 to 40 centimeter is very important. So while you are doing the testing, the first sample is from the 0 centimeter to 20 centimeter. So you need to take a dig at 45-degree angle for 20 centimeter depth, and make sure all other soil from other places is not interfering with this part, and you need to take a slice of side panel. So you need to get the soil from the 0 to 20 in an equal manner. So you need to dig a pit like this. Then now you can take the sample of the soil. Make sure it is, one second, it's a rock here. Make sure there is no rocks, no root or any other unnecessary items. So this side. So while you're taking the sample, make sure each sample is the same quantity. I'm using this bottle for the reference. So once you collected the sample, remove all the rocks, roots and the unnecessary items. It should be only soil. Suttasam is ready. Now we are going to dry it in shade. Never put this under the sunlight. Once it's dried for another 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, we can take to the soil laboratory. So welcome to the final part of the episode. Here you can see the result of the soil testing. We come to the result. So here you can see two results. One is for 0 to 20 centimeter, another one is for 20 to 40 centimeter. So I'll just explain you about the first result. So that is meant for the ginger. So we only doing a 10 cents of farming. So here they give me the result based on 1 acre. The pH level for our soil was 5.1, so it is less. It's supposed to be 7 or 6.5 to 7.5. So that is the neutral level. If I am getting more than 1.5, that is a pretty good. So here I am getting only 0.09, so that is very less. So I need to fix that lack of nitrogen very seriously. Then come the phosphorus. Phosphorus also we have more. It's supposed to be less than 24, but right now we have 39.20, so that is more than enough. So we don't need to worry about the phosphorus here. And the next thing is potassium. Potassium is also very less. It's supposed to be minimum 115, and it should be 116 to 200 for a normal level, but we only have 89.04. So we need to fix that potassium problem also. So they are recommending, the farm officer is recommending me, the agriculture officer is recommending me to put 189 kg of calcium carbonate or dolomite for the pH fixation. But again, that is for 1 acre. We are only doing for 1 cent. That means I only need to put 18 kg or 19 kg calcium carbonate I need to put for the soil to prepare the ginger bed. Then again I need to put 1.2 ton, that means 1200 liters of organic manure also on the soil to prepare the soil for ginger and turmeric farming. I need to put 8.3 kgs of urea and 3.9 kgs of potash for the soil preparation. Also another thing is, like we already mentioned, calcium is lower. It is showing 66.6, so we need to put lot of dolomite to fix the calcium problem also here. So dolomite will automatically fix the pH value and the calcium problem. Magnesium is also low. Sulfur is enough, that is comes showing the 10 point. Boron is only 0.08, so that is very less. We need to put 40 grams of borax per cent. Then zinc is also enough, 2.21. Iron is 21.44, that is enough. Magnesium is 7.7, that is enough. Copper is 2.69, that is enough. So that is the result for the ginger farming. So we can now start preparing the ginger bed.